Heat stays on into the weekend, but like today, we did see a few isolated showers across the area. I think we'll see that again tomorrow. Better rain chances as we head into Saturday, as a fizzling frontal boundary should give us a better chance of storms and maybe a more comfortable Sunday. But overall, that 10-day forecast still looking like summer. No promises there. So as we take a look at the big picture here, we have that low pressure trough to the west, high pressure Bermuda, strong Bermuda high pressure off to the east, and that's been dominating the Gulf of Mexico weather and keeping this feature at bay, although some of that energy worked its way into southwest Louisiana and into portions of Acadiana, where we saw a few pop-up showers during the course of the afternoon. Most of the action, though, has been back across Texas. Tomorrow, probably much the same, where we'll see an isolated pocket or two of a few isolated cooling showers, and certainly we could use it. Now, as for the tropics, the remnants of Nana done with now across portions of Central America and into Mexico. Tropical moisture pooling in the Caribbean, but nothing organized at this time, just keeping an eye on it. But the National Hurricane Center is still watching Tropical Depression Omar, another system here, and 2, 3, 4 more systems that could develop down the line. 40% chance of this feature developing over the next 5 days. 70% chance of this feature developing over the next 5 days. That one looks to go, and they've upped a tropical wave that hasn't even come off the African coast yet to about a 40% chance of development. And new tonight also a little bit of a system up here in the Atlantic. We won't worry about that. But let's take a look at the European model here and give you a pretty good idea of how busy it's looking as we go down the line. And we don't want to be scaring anybody, but the tropics are going to be turned on, we think, as we get into the middle part of the month and just in time for the peak of hurricane season. Something going on here, obviously something going on here, maybe something here, another thing coming off the African coast. And we're also going to be watching tropical moisture that's going to be coming into the Gulf of Mexico. Might see broad low pressure here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 potential systems in the next 10 days. And this is just a snapshot 10 days from now. So things could get busy. Not everything's going to develop where we're showing you. But nonetheless, it looks like we're going to be hitting the peak of hurricane season with the peak of activity coming up as well. Near term, though, we're nice and quiet. We'll go with partly cloudy skies tomorrow. More heat and humidity. A few pop-up showers locally. Better rain chances off to the north and west of us. And we'll see a few storms into the evening, although not overtly shown on our map here. I think we'll see a few isolated showers into the evening hours. Quiet overnight tomorrow night. And then here comes Saturday, and that little bit of a frontal boundary. Notice the north winds here, south winds here are a little bit of a mishmash, but it does look like we'll see a good scattering of showers and thunderstorms Saturday. Right now I'm going 40%, but that rain chance may actually go up. And behind this frontal system, it does look like drier air will come in, and that should make for maybe a lower humidity Sunday. 75 the low tonight. Nearly full corn moon. We're rising about 15 minutes later tonight. Warm and humid overall. Tomorrow, another hot one. 93 the high. That heat index as high as 106. So again, stay hydrated if you're working outdoors. A lot of folks still in recovery mode, especially to our west, that may be still watching us. And as we go down the line next week, I'm playing it with the European model rather than the GFS, which keeps us in a summer mode through next weekend. That's it for weather for right now. We'll be right back right after this.